Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a little bad news. Our buddy Erobin Outdoors, I just found out today actually that his health has declined and he's been moved into hospice care. So, man, I knew he was going in for surgery, but I didn't know he was that bad. So you know, sorry to hear that, brother. Don't know if he's going to be making a return or not. At this point, I kind of doubt it, but you know, you never know. So I thought I'd do a little burn for him today. I got some tulip poplar bark, and I got a little bit of this light my fire Maya dust, which I'm going to try. And let's get the burn going. This one goes out to you, brother. You know, just like Bill Milton always said, and Allie Carroll's been saying it too. Tomorrow is not promised, so call someone and tell me you love them today. I need to call my mom. I've been meaning to do that, so I'm going to do that today too. Wasn't a one and done, but I still got it done, so. Well, just a quick burn for our brother Erobin Outdoors. Hope everything goes well for him. Tilt it down a little bit. This will just be a quick video. I'll probably tinder burn for 7 minutes. I'll probably end up just high speeding most of it because, you know, I don't want you guys, you guys probably don't want to sit and watch 7-minute burn. So, all right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and keep Erobin in your thoughts, and hopefully things turn around for him. So take care, brother. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to tell someone you love them, because tomorrow's not promised. And have a good day.